Hello, good afternoon, good day. This is Easy Forest. It's been a long time, and today I decided to do a video upload on synthetic indices trading. All right. So it's 2026, a new year. We are in the second month, which is almost ending. Today is 25th. So let me show you a few assets and how I think about them. All right, so first of all, I want us to start with volatility 25, and as usual we are going to start from the monthly time frame. Okay, so on the monthly time frame you can see that price has been very bullish. You can see it's still loading anyway, but price is bullish. If for nothing at all, you can see that January was bullish and February is just continuing with its bullishness. So we hold that in our mind, and here you can see there was a lot of consolidation, but here we have these three strong bullish buys. So this move here became some kind of a retracement into this order block. All right, this down close candle here, which is serving as an order block. That is what price has respected since, and we are pushing up. So as we are pushing up, where is price targeting? Price is targeting making a new high. All right, a new high, and that is what is in the process. So we are bullish on the monthly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can see this was the area we marked on the daily monthly time frame, where we had the order block. And when we investigate the weekly, we have this order block here, which is a pin bar. That is the area price decided to use as support before pushing up. And we could see the strong buys, 1 2 3 4 5 6 buy candles. All right, and the goal is to create a new high. So definitely we know that this high is likely to be broken. That is a good place of liquidity, equal highs. Now, how do we get our entries? Let's still go down to our daily time frame, and you can see that the trend has been very clear. It has been an uptrend. So what you do is that forget about the sales and focus on catching the buys, and you can hold. Okay, so this has been it. We are on a buy move. We are on a buy move here. Price bought from this demand zone, a break of structure, a retracement. So all we could see is that the retracements are not deep enough. It sort of consolidates and then price will push up. So you can see that from here, price did a little bit of retracement into the fair value gap here, and then it pushed out. Then it began to consolidate, and then it pushed out, and here it seems to be consolidating after this strong bullish move. So we can count this as a retracement on a lower time frame. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. The most difficult part is how to catch the entry. All right, and depending on whatever strategy you are trading, you have to be able to catch a trade since you already know the direction. But it's difficult, all right, because market is not making any significant retracements. So those who do break and retest, this was an area you would have waited for a retest, but there wasn't a perfect retest. And then here also, all right, there wasn't a perfect retest. So it's difficult to enter this trade or this asset, this trade, and this is an area of support. Okay, those who know support and resistance, this area has been tested multiple times, and it's a good place to wait for the buy if you were waiting. So on the 1-hour time frame, you can equally see the price has been on the upside. So that is it for my analysis. Price is bullish, still bullish on VIX 25, so you can follow it up and then catch buy trades. Let's look at a different asset probably. So we are looking at volatility 25 1s. These are the main assets I trade the most. My main asset has been volatility 25 1s. I like the way it moves, very volatile. It can mess you up on any day. And I used to trade 75 1s also a lot, and I do trade the other ones, but these are my main assets. Okay, so I can tell you that this asset has been very bullish even for the past 2 years. So you focus on the buys. Even on the weekly, we can see the price is buying to the upside. Okay, if you put a trend line here, you can see the price has been buying. So all that you do is that you wait for markets to break the highs and pull back, and you can see from the weekly also that we have not had nice pullbacks. They are not too friendly, so it makes entry very, very difficult. But you have to wait for perfect entry or good entries. Other than that, you might end up losing your money. All right, so on the daily time frame, you can see that this asset has been very bullish, very, very bullish. So forget about the sales. Right now we are making an impulsive move. All right, price just broke out of this high right here. So if anything at all, in the upcoming days, we would expect price to retrace a bit for some days before it picks up the buy momentum. And during this period, you can either wait or trade the reversal trades. Okay, but we have to be very careful, because if you are trading against the trend, it's very difficult, because price can just reverse from any point and then keep buying. So volatility 25 1s is also bullish. So I think I don't want the video to be very long, so I'll end here. Just in case you like the video, you like how I did the analysis, and you want to have more, just make sure you subscribe and you share. Hit the notification button. From now on, I'll be uploading a lot of this analysis and how I take the trades with you. I'm hoping to do live trading, but I need to organize myself a bit before I come. So thank you so much. See you. Bye bye. This has been Easy Forex.